Good morning, JK Adventures. Brand new videos are always out, always posted. It's a brand new day. It's I believe it's Taco Tuesday. My car broke down. My Jeep seat got stuck, so I couldn't move it, so I wasn't able to drive it. Miserable day. Miserable day. Today is a better day. It's sunny. It's 52 degrees. I don't know if you could tell by the outfit. I'm only wearing this because I had to drive the motorcycle to pick up my parents' truck. So I am in the truck. Blessed that we do have options to drive because, man, when something goes down, everything goes down. But it's all good. Positive vibes, positive mood. It's a new day. Taco Tuesday. That's always fun. Hey, we got a little bit of training to do. We got Blues training today, so that's going to be cute and fun. I like training him, like getting him educated and getting him well behaved. He's my little favorite guy. Cute puppy. He has an Instagram. Make sure you follow him. Blue the Amstaff. I believe that's what it is, but we'll pop it up for you guys. So stay tuned. You're in for a treat today.
Boom! What's up, JK Adventure fans? It's JUANA here. You guys just saw Kirk open up the video this morning. I just got out of work. I picked up Blue, and now we are on our way to his training. We're gonna meet Kirk there, and then after that, I'm not sure what we have planned today. It's just a basic day. I think we bought an advent calendar, I think it's like a Lego Harry Potter one or something like that. So we're gonna be doing that for you one of these videos. I'm not sure exactly which video. I was hoping we would do it tonight, but said we have guests coming over, so there might not be much today. Today might go into tomorrow if, we don't really do anything else after Blues training. But as of right now, it's a good day. It's Tuesday, beautiful week here. It's a little chilly out. That's about it. We got Blue back there. Blue! Oh. Other than that, day's good, day's done, work's done. It's always the best. So I guess we'll catch you guys after training. Boop!
Boom! What's up, JK Adventure fans? It's a new day on this wonderful Vlogmas 2020. As you guys can see, we got the Harry Potter Lego Advent Calendar, and it's about to go down. It's like day 7, 8, 9, I don't know, but we're about to catch up, build these things, and you guys are in for a treat. JUANA, tell them the deets.
There's details. Well, like you said, we got this advent calendar. We kind of forgot that we got it. So if you hear anything, it's Blue. Disclaimer, but. So we bought it, we forgot, so now we're time to catch up. We're on day 9 of Vlogmas, if you guys know, so.
So you'll see the rest of the day is another day.
Yeah,
so exactly. If you like this episode, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring the bell. We keep forgetting to tell you guys about the bell, but you better ring the bell. All 77 subscribers, you better ring the bell.
Wow, you know our subscriber count?
Yeah, because it's been the same. Let's crack this bad boy open. Ooh, this thing's got some smooth. Wow, so it gives you a platform to build on. Let's start opening it up, babe.
So yeah, it has like different boxes, and I guess I'm gonna start with number 1. See, like, it's number 1, right?
Hey!
So open
what are you doing on this side?
And it has a little baggie.
So boom, 1. Start building it. Does it come with instructions?
No, it's just a person.
Oh, it's probably Harry.
This isn't Harry, is it? Look at this guy.
Yeah, it's Harry Potter.
Buggy.
First character, Harry Potter. I'm a big Potter head, not a pothead. I really do enjoy Harry Potter. I love the movies. I would love to watch them more with Juanita.
Oh, I see. I built it wrong.
There's some intense stuff.
That's what I was just gonna say.
That if it doesn't come with instructions, we're kind of gonna be winging this.
I don't think. I guess, yeah, this is his one. This is his one.
Oh! Hold the door. Instructions on the back.
Oh my god. See, you guys? Okay, so this is his wand. Yes, you were right.
So, boom. When you open the flap, the instructions are actually on the inside of the flap.
So this is our first one. So we got him, his little candle. Oh, and his little book.
You put his hair in front of his scar, babe. Harry Potter has a scar. Oh yeah, you really can see his scar.
Here's his little candle, his little book.
Day 1, done. Day 2 was over here. Day 1 was over here.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's advanced. What is this one?
Oh my god, you're building a house.
I get the hard one. Go figure.
Day 2.
Oh, that's it.
Wow, that's it. Oh, look.
Day 2. Boom.
Boom, day 2
Day
done.
2 done.
So this is day 3 right here. Little puppy.
Boom, and just like that, day 3.
On to day 4.
Quattro.
Don't mind me. I'm entertaining the dog.
Man, this one's another hard one.
They're getting harder as you go, you know? The first one was so easy. Is this a car?
I think it's a chariot.
Oh, the horse in the front. I see it. I see it.
On to day 7.
No. Babe, that was only day 4.
Oh my god!
We still got number 5 next.
She gets the easy ones. It's not fair. Her face looks so shocked. Boom! And like that, we're on to day 6. Gotta make sure it's on day 6. My days are getting a little confused. I know there might not be a lot of audio in this, but man, these things are taking our full concentration. Hopefully we get better at this, but this one's not too hard, not too difficult. I think it's another torch.
Alright guys, we took a little break. We're back.
Day 7.
Day 7.
Let's open it.
Which is right here. So I'm gonna open it.
I hate you. She gets all the easy ones.
So you wanna do this one?
No, you do it. That's fine. It's got a curve.
Like Kirk said earlier, if we're quiet, it's because we're very concentrated on getting these done. Any dog sponsors that want to sponsor us with treats, because we've had to buy so many, hit us up. Wow, this one. So I put this one here.
It looked like it was like 3 pieces.
Right.
So guys, let me know what your favorite Harry Potter movie is, and let me know what your favorite character is.
I don't really watch Harry Potter, so I couldn't tell y'all.
I gotta get. You know what else she doesn't watch? Pirates of the Caribbean. We literally watched all the movies to get ready for the last one, but we never saw the last one. It was sad because things went down. But other than that, so yeah, let me know what your favorite character is. Did he get him?
Oh my god.
Did he get any?
Oh my god, I don't know what he got. This,
Wild animal attacking.
this mess. I hope that was on camera. I'm making a record player, a record player, I believe.
If you can hear his feet in the video, look at him staring at the couch. He was just, oh, he jumped over the couch to go to the other couch. He's going wild.
JK Adventures, if you know why we haven't filmed much this year, it wasn't because of quarantine. It's because we got a wild animal in this house. Like, oh, he locked the light down. Whoa! How do we explain that to the trainer, Blue? Boom! Look at me. I made a record player.
Put on the geezy.
Day
7.
No, day 8. Day 8. Day 8, and we got one more.
Oh.
So satisfying.
Oh, it's not easy.
Oh, you got the golden egg.
I got the snitch. Snitch. Woo! I got that snitch.
He lost the snitch. Only took you 4 minutes.
Golden snitch. Let's get a good one of it. Last day for the day. Thank God this has been ridiculous.
So yes, we're on day 9, which is today's Vlogmas. So we're gonna open up 9, which is right here. Don't tell him it's easy.
That ain't easy. Do you think you're cool because you have rings on? Your hands look better than mine? You think you're better than me? Is this why?
Yes, I'm better than you.
I can't wait for you to edit this audio. Because it's going to be a camera audio.
Because the thing is that you are just so special.
I'm going second next time because it seems to be she went first and she finished last. So if I go first, I'm going to get all the hard ones. So I'm going to go second and get all the easy ones.
Can you just look at my little table I built?
You made that fast?
Yes. In under record speeding time.
All right, JK Adventure fans, it is 9 days Advent Calendar 2020 Harry Potter edition. Let me know your favorite characters, your favorite movies, and all your favorite Harry Potter things. Let me see your collection. We have our Instagram right here. You can definitely post it and DM us all your faves. So we're looking forward to seeing everything from you guys. We're looking forward for all of it. We're looking forward for you guys to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and then share it. Show some love. Let's get a little montage in on all of our 9-day Advent calendar.
Alright, JK Adventure fans, I think that's gonna end out Vlogmas Day 9, which I think you guys should be proud of us that we posted 9 days in a row. I mean,
yeah,
come on. We haven't posted all year, but come on, 9 days in a row. I think we all need a round of applause.
Golf class.
But at the end of the day, that's the end of our Vlogmas Day 9. Vlogmas Day 9 completed. It's already 9:30 at night, so I mean, you ready? Is that it?
Day's done.
Day's done. Peace, guys. I hope to see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.